Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video with Dubling. And in today's video, I am going to be trying to draw traditionally for the first time in like 1,000 years. We're going to be dusting off the sketchbook and getting back into it. Also, I gained 3 new subscribers, so hello to my new subscribers. I couldn't believe it, guys. My last video did so well. I still don't have a name for my subscribers yet. I think we should figure that out probably once we hit about 500, because 500 is a lot of people, guys. Also, don't forget to boop that subscribe button on the nose if you want to subscribe and get a shout out, just like my 3 new subscribers. Don't forget to like the video, because then I know that you guys want to see more videos just like this one. And be sure to follow my Instagram so you can see all my finished art there. I'll have it right here. And if you want to support me in the channel, $5 a month, you can follow me on Patreon. You can get exclusive content there, including tutorials, speed paints, and Patreon exclusive art. I've got my sketchbook here. This is a picture of Danyu from Genshin Impact. This is a little Sealy that she has. I use the ILO sketchbook. It's probably the best sketchbook in the whole world. I 100% recommend. It's got like a very nice leathery almost kind of cover that is really nice, that you can use Posca pens, gel pens, anything like that on it. This is my front page. That is Zhao from Genshin Impact, more Sealys from Genshin Impact. This is honestly one of my favorites. I like all the purple, it just kind of comes together. I used a mixture of purple markers, purple pen, and purple pencil. And then I filled out another spread. I really like this one too. And then here's some more. I like doing a lot of mirror selfies, or just selfies in general. Then here's some more. I really like the one with the scarf. I think that looks really cute. Oh, and then I drew my Baldur's Gate character from when that game came out and it was really popular. So we're gonna try and fill a page or two of my sketchbook. And to make it interesting, I think instead of just drawing people, I want to try and draw multiple things. I want to draw animals, some items, maybe a couple people, maybe a couple mirror selfies. Okay, you guys, I have picked out a ton of cute animals, a few objects, and a couple portraits that I want to do. I'm going to start off by drawing this cute little bunny guy we have here. I think we'll probably do this page with animals on it, just because I think that'd be kind of cute. I notice its head is a little bit smaller at the top, and then it kind of becomes wider here at the bottom. Sort of like that. And then it's got its cute little bunny feet right here. I'm drawing kind of big because I'm not really worried about running out of room in my sketchbook. But as you see, I'm sketching lightly at first. Now I'm going in, darkening it to kind of help clean the sketch up a little bit, to make it a little bit more obvious what you're looking at. I try to have simple animals in my art style. Got some spots here and there. Notice mostly it's ears, feet, and its spots are like dark brown. There we go. Isn't that the cutest little bunny? It kind of looks like a pig. I don't know, maybe that's just me. To me, it kind of looks like a little bit like a pig. Well, baby bunny or baby pig, I'll leave it up to you. Let's move on to the next one. A cute, tiny little froggy here.
I've never drawn a frog before, so be patient with me.
It's got very large eyes. Oh my gosh, I feel like it actually kind of looks like a frog. That's incredible. We're gonna give him a little bit of a smile. This one I'm not trying to stylize too much because I've never drawn a frog before, so I just want to make sure I get the frog right. What do you think? Is he cute? I don't know. Maybe we should pick out names for all these little animals. I don't know. What do you guys think? Next, we're going to do this cute little ducky.
Oh, you guys, it's so cute. Okay.
And as you can see, I'm just trying to break it down a little bit. I'm trying to draw more simple animals. That kind of comes to a point over here.
Classic little ducky shape.
Got the kind of little puffs for his 2 little feet. Just be patient with me, guys, okay? I never draw ducks. I said in my last video, I feel like all my bad art is when I'm filming. I realize it's because I don't really take the time to warm up before I start filming. So I decided to warm up today, so hopefully my art could be a little bit better. Oh, he looks so cute. Like, these are actually looking really cute. I never draw animals, so I'm kind of surprised that these are like turning out. Okay, and then I was weak. I did do another bunny because this one, you can see the bunny a little better.
But I just thought he was so cute. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to draw this one.
So hopefully it won't look like our baby pig over here. As you see with my digital art, I tend to do basic shapes and outlines and then kind of go in and add details. But when I'm drawing traditionally, I kind of just don't draw the base underneath. I don't know, it's almost like harder for me to, I guess. Really cute. And then he's got like a little racing stripe down his face. This looks so creepy right now. Like when they don't have their eyes filled in, I feel like it looks so creepy. Little bow tie bunny. Oh, you guys, this is so cute. I feel like this is almost like therapeutic in a way. I don't know how to like explain it, but now I know he's got kind of a long snout, but animals tend to be cuter when their snouts are shorter. So I'm gonna try and give him a bit of a shorter snout. He's got such a like long little neck. He's like a little giraffe. I'm gonna draw his tail up, even though his tail is down in the picture, just because if I draw it down, it's hidden behind the bunny. I want you to be able to see his little tail. And then he looks happier that way. I actually have no idea if that means they're happy or not. Almost reminds me of like a human leg. Like that kind of looks like a human leg, you know? It's kind of weird. The way his pelt kind of... Is it a pelt? What is it? What do they have? I don't know. And there's a branch that kind of comes behind him, so I think I'm going to include that too. I feel like that looks really pretty. Right, what do we think of our little deer? He's cute. I can't believe how well this is going, I guess. So we've got 2 types of animals left. One of them is a tiger, and then I want to do 2 different pictures of otters because they're really cute. And an otter is my mom's favorite animal. These are all like little baby animals. That's why they look so cute. Like, I don't know what it is about tigers, but they have really, really big noses. You know, they've obviously got all their stripes. They're so pretty. They're such a pretty animal. Well, this one's probably my least favorite. I feel like it didn't turn out, but I mean, it's a tiger. You know, they're a little bit harder to draw than normal. In this corner here, we're gonna try and fit an otter, like a very small otter. Their heads are like very flat, I feel like. He's holding some cookies. So we'll draw the cookies in. Sometimes it's nice to have the different things I'm drawing overlap with each other. I always get a little nervous at first because I feel like it's not turning out. And then I look and it's like literally fine. So we've got a pretty good set of animals on the page, I think. Now I picked out 4 portraits that I want to do. The first one is because there's a lot of red there and I want to be able to add some color. So we're going to add some color to that one. I like the anatomy. I think it'll be some good anatomy practice, so we can throw that one in there. Third one, I also thought it'd be fun to do the rainbow hair for that one. And I also like how it's from the back and it's a side portrait. And then the 4th one I thought would just be fun. I think the hair is really fun. So we're going to do those 4 portraits. I think the one that I want to make big will probably be maybe the rainbow one from the back. And like I said, I have not drawn traditionally in so long, you guys. Like if I do something wrong, I have to just completely erase it. I also like adding frames around my portraits. I feel like it kind of helps section them off. And it just adds a little something. It's just very long, very straight hair. I guess it kind of reminds me of Ariel. Maybe that's why I like it. I don't know. Now for the face, which is going to be so hard without my digital tools. But we're going to try. So that is that first portrait done. I made it nice and small. Since it's for anatomy, I do want to make it a little bit bigger so I can get a bit more detailed with it. We're making her very bottom heavy apparently. Taking that anatomy class definitely changed the way I can see art almost. Like I feel like it's almost easier for me to draw bodies now because I understand how they work and how they look. Now I know I said for traditional art I don't usually draw the underline of the body when I'm doing art traditionally, but
So much crap on my eraser.
But when it comes to anatomy, that is a different story. Like in order to be able to draw it correctly, you have to do the underline of the body, otherwise it's not going to look right. Another thing when I'm filling in my sketchbook is I like to make things different sizes to add like a little bit of variety, I guess. I don't really like the hairstyle she has, so I'm gonna just pick a different one really quick. There's our bodybuilder done. So as you can see, I kind of left the center blank here. So I think we're going to take the rainbow hair one and maybe do that one very big and in the center. Just a ton of it is just her hair. That's definitely like the main focus here, and that's what I want to replicate with the art, is that the main focus is all of her rainbow hair. Also, you guys seem to like the fact that my last video was longer than normal. Usually my videos are between like 10 to 12 minutes. That one, however, was 17 minutes. It was a little bit longer. I'm going to try and make this video a little bit longer. I've always struggled with side profiles. I need to just figure it out. I feel like that looks okay. Bit of a better angle for you guys so you can kind of see it. And then I know I wanted to do that last portrait, but I don't think we're gonna have room for it. We've got all of our animals over here and our portraits here. So I'm gonna do the donut here. This is just to kind of help fill that empty space. That's really cute. Little donut there. Then we'll do this alarm clock over here in this corner, I think. I know these are kind of like random things, but I just thought they would be things that might be a little fun to draw. It's literally got the teeniest, tiniest little legs on it. That is so cute. It's so hard drawing everything by hand, you guys. I'm worried these numbers are not going to line up where they're supposed to. I also just like adding little bits of text to kind of fill up some empty space too. Our little alarm clock. But this is the first one to be finished. So you can see it's just interesting to look at because the different sizes of people and characters and whatnot. I think we will draw our little otter guy. We're going to make him very, very, very small. It's so cute. Oh, I wish I'd drawn that up there instead of the little tiger. I'm gonna draw like a little drinky drink that I found that I thought looked very, very nice. It's just got like a whole bunch of stuff on it, including like some leaves and such. It's got the big square ice cubes in it. I'm gonna draw another one just in this corner here. This one's like a little strawberry drinky drink. I also really like the glass it's in. Then it's got some strawberries floating around in there. Well, strawberry slices, I should say. And it's got like a plant in it for some reason. And the point of this is just to add stuff to the sketchbook to kind of help fill up a little bit of that empty space. We are done with our spread. It looks really good. So now I am going to go in with a pen and line some of these and then add little bits of color. Since we're going to be doing red, I'm going to use a red pen. This is not an art pen, but I just thought that it'd work pretty well, so I'm going to go through and line some of these. And this will probably be the only digital art video that I do, just because it's kind of hard to set up and everything. And I know you guys like my digital art, so... But let me know if you did like this type of content. Always let me know what you guys like and don't like, because that helps me know what kind of videos to make in the future. Okay, so I went through and outlined the items that I'm definitely going to use a red marker for. Don't know if red frogs are a thing, but I thought that'd be cute. Then the drink, the lollipop, her hair is going to be multicolors, and then the girl's hair is going to be red as well. These are the three colors I'm going to go with. I used both Copics and Ohuhus. I think they're both really good. So I've got like more of a pink, more of an orange, and then like a deep red. Another thing I really like about the ILO sketchbooks is that they are really good with pretty much any medium. Colored pencils, pens, markers. They work really well with Copic markers. So it's really nice because it doesn't really matter what medium you use. If you want to use it in your sketchbook, you can with the ILO. And that's something that I just really like about it. I just love the pops of color that doing the red adds. When I'm filling out a spread in my sketchbook, like obviously that purple one is by far my favorite, just because everything coordinates so well. I'm always trying to give you guys art tips as I'm drawing so you can kind of understand my methods behind things. And this is definitely one of my reasons for adding color, is it really just adds a lot to your art. I'm so excited for you guys to see the finished product. It's going to look so good. I'm honestly so surprised with how it turned out, considering I haven't drawn traditionally in so long. I don't know, sometimes it's fun to go back to your roots and try things again and just kind of start over. Now we get to do the fun part, the rainbow hair. I'm just gonna pick out a bunch of rainbow colors and just have fun. These are what I'm going with. 33 and 15. V09 violet. G17 green forest. YR04 chrome orange. RV11 pink. And B14 light blue. So this is the fun assortment of colors we're working with. Very bright, very vibrant. Okay, I'm kind of actually digging the pink. Kind of just want to leave it pink. I love the way that that looks. That looks so pretty. I'm trying to make sure they all connect too. You guys, this is so fun. I should do rainbow stuff more often because it's so fun to just kind of pick markers and just kind of go in randomly. I think I'm going to do less of this one just because I don't want it to overpower everything. The hard thing again about also using traditional art is that your colors will mix even when you don't want them to. Which we kind of already got green by using the blue, but whatever. Feels almost like a kindergarten project. I'm actually going to use this purple to shade, I think. Well, it definitely didn't look how I expected it to. I think it looks really bad, actually. But it was really fun. And I really had a lot of fun doing that. And here is the finished product. Again, I think it really goes to show just how adding color and just doing like different dynamic sketches and everything can really just add a lot to your sketchbook. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me suffer. I'm surprised I didn't try to zoom in or flip my canvas or anything like I thought I might do out of habit. I feel like it went a lot better than I thought it did. Again, I don't know how I feel about the crazy rainbow hair. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like the longer videos. This one is definitely going to be a little bit longer. Don't forget to follow my Instagram so you can see all my finished art there. And also, if you want to support the channel for $5 a month, you can follow me on Patreon, where you get exclusive content such as tutorials, speed paints, and Patreon exclusive art. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.